Yeah, when it comes to battery operated backup or emergency lights, then it's super important that we have the absolute perfect combination of technology built in. And finally, I have found the ones which are working perfectly here for me. You can see they are even working here somehow, but I'm going to show you how they really work outside in the garage, really how they should. By the way, I got them from the seller to show you how they really work, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true, and I'm going to show you here really live how they work so you can judge on your own. So that was the box, and that's what we get. We get really 4 of these sensor lights, rechargeable ones. You can see when I push here, then they are really reacting on the brightness, and not only on the brightness but also based on a built-in PIR sensor. So that's the perfect combination of these 2 things. So we need really 2 sensors. So we really want to buy only such lights which are working perfectly in combination with these 2 sensors. Otherwise, I can tell you it will be a huge disappointment, and I had some of them already and they didn't work. So that's the only thing which really works for me. What's also really nice is that we have a really very comfortable indirect light. You can see that here. So it's very comfortable to look because it has this protection here. It's a very strong light from underneath, but when you have it attached to the wall, the light is pointing mostly down, and it's a very comfortable warm light. We can adjust it in 3 different levels, and usually I have it just on the highest level because it doesn't matter, because they are turning on only when it's absolutely dark and when I'm there outside in the garage where it's dark. So they are not using any energy while it's bright, no matter if it's daylight or if I have turned on the light, and they are also not turning on while I'm not there. So they can really last with 1 full charge easily for weeks, months, maybe even years. But they are still super easy to charge. We have everything here on the right side. You can see modern USB-C port, and it's not only a normal USB-C which we have to use with a USB-A plug. We can really use it with super modern USB-C to C, even from PD chargers. The sensor range is not adjustable, but they work absolutely perfect for me outside. And so when I'm there, for example, in case of a power outage, or sometimes I'm out there and my wife thinks that nobody's there because I'm quiet and the light switch is outside in the aisle, actually she just goes there and turns off the light. That has already happened a couple of times, and then I had no light. But now with these battery operated motion sensor lights, I'm perfectly covered for this event. I just have to wave with my hand and then I have perfect light. And I can even walk around, and so light after light after light is turning on, and when I move out of the area they will turn off. In case you want to turn them off completely, you can do that here, absolutely no problem. But for me, I leave them on the whole time, nothing to worry. And on top of the perfect function, they have even the built-in magnets here on the back, so I can just stick them, for example, to my old fridge or to a shelf or whatsoever. Don't need even some extra metal stickers, but we even get them here. Can see very convenient 5 set of these sticker plates with a double-sided tape. You can just stick them there and attach the lights there. And for easy convenient charge, you get even this standard USB-A to 2 times USB-C charging cable. So for me, the absolutely perfect set, the first such set actually where I have nothing to complain. And so if you're interested, you can find the link to the Amazon listing down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. It's actually not even expensive, at least at the moment. The whole set is only around $20, definitely nothing to complain. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.